Okay, let's get down to business. Making a budget isn't the hard part. Sticking to it is really what you struggle with. Believe me, I know where you're coming from. Here's the simplest, most efficient and fastest way to get that done once and for all. Right at the end of the video, I'll give you 2 little known secrets about this method that will change the way you treat money. Make sure to watch until the end. Like we said, making it is simple. As simple as using 3rd grade math. Anyone could do it. First, you forget about apps. Yes, the reason why you failed at this simple task so many times in the past is because you rely too much on those apps and eventually you forget you even had them on your phone. One day you uninstalled it and you never looked back. You know it. I know it. Your bank definitely knows it. Take a physical notebook and a pencil and write down your net income, not your salary. Meaning, the money you're left with after you deduct your taxes and other programs provided by your employer, like a retirement plan or health insurance. Remember that if you focus too much on your salary and not your net income, you will inevitably think that you have more available money than what you really do have. If you have a partner and want to do this together, which by the way we recommend 100%, write down your combined monthly net income on the first line of that notebook's first page. I'm sure it'll take you 10 seconds to do just that. That's the main reason you're watching this channel. It's as easy as hitting the subscribe button for more videos like this. Secondly, you need to know where that money is going and you also must be able to identify opportunities to save it. There are 2 types of expenses, fixed and variable ones. Learn this today and everything will become 50% easier. Below your net income, write down the fixed expenses. The things that you must pay every month to have a functioning life, like your bills, rent, mortgage, utilities, car payments, etc. Now, keep track of your variable expenses. These are the ones that change from one month to another, like groceries, gas and entertainment. Quick tip, whatever amount you're currently spending on groceries, you're spending too much. In the variables line lie the biggest saving opportunities. You will not realize what you're spending your money on until you write it down. That's a fact. Up until this step, you already knew everything. What you don't know is that your brain and its tendency to procrastinate is the culprit for you not sticking to this simple method. Remember I said to forget about apps and take the time to actually write everything down with your hand. That's the trick. You are more likely to access important memories when you use your hand to document them on a piece of paper rather than a free app on your smartphone. You are also more inclined to build a habit like this one if you don't do it in front of a smartphone screen. Why? Simply because your phone is designed in a way that makes you switch your attention quickly between apps. You get no dopamine rush when you do something boring like taking responsibility for your financial future. And speaking of responsibilities, here's the secret number 1. Making a budget is an order from you to you. As the master of your reality, you are expected to make serious decisions about your finances, which is just a tiny part of your whole world, or it should be at least. Let me ask you this, if you have a job and your boss at that job gives you $1,000 to wisely spend for the next 30 days on office supplies, would you, A, not give a damn and spend it all in one day on a brand new laptop for yourself? Or B, would you take care of that money responsibly? If you choose B and you do the right thing for money that isn't even yours, why can't you do the same thing for your own money? Think about it. Secret number 2 is understanding that if up until this point in your life you have not been able to stick to a budget consistently, it is because your relationship with money is toxic. You prefer short-term satisfaction over long-term planning. And that is making you waste precious time in a job that you probably hate and a future that looks as unclear as ever. We know that because we've been there. That's why, if you really want to get out of the 9-to-5 trap, you must start thinking as an entrepreneur. The best part is that it doesn't have to be as hard as you think. This video right here will show you how you can start your entrepreneurial journey right now. Click here.